had shared with us that she ordered some new bands, and she liked them, and that was all the motivation I needed to buy some for myself. So I did, and I'm gonna open up this box and see what we got. So, of course, it comes with a little book and stuff with how to use it. Let's see what these look like and feel like. So they seem like they're so big. And like they wouldn't, I think these are gonna be cool. All right, so it seems like it goes gray. Yeah, so gray, pink, black. So of course this is an exercise we do a lot. Okay, that's just not enough, but it's good. It's very comfortable. It's easy to get on. And it's not rolling or pinching. This one feels a little tighter. I think I like this better. Oh yeah, it's so much better than, and of course this is one that we do all that. Oh yeah, I like it. I think these are great. So much better than the rubber latex ones. So I'm going to use these in my workout this morning. If you saw my post yesterday is normally a resistance day for me, but I didn't lift because I didn't get enough sleep. So I got enough sleep last night, and I'm super excited to do my resistance workout today and use these new bands. So later today, if you guys are interested in replacing the traditional latex rubber bands that we use with these fabric bands that are so much more comfortable, I'll post the link so you can get some for yourself. All right, have a great Friday, everybody.